Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Hello! You can see me today. All right, guys. I hope you guys are having an amazing holiday, preparing for Christmas, and the rush is on, guys. The rush is on. And I hope you're enjoying your friends, your family. And every once in a while, it's good to take a moment and just reflect on this whole year. All of the work we've done, all of the work other people have done, all of the nice comments. It's just been a year. It's just been a year, guys. And we work hard with our content. We work hard with whatever kind of videos that we create, and also put in the time to support other people's channels. So for that, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. Those who support my channels and those who support my collaborations, which I like to keep family based, guys. And so you're my family. So I just want to tell you thank you. It's been an amazing year. I thank you for supporting me. I thank you for supporting me in the collaborations by participating. It helps to increase the watch hours if you're still, if you're growing and, you need your watch hours up, your view time up. We want people to subscribe to our channels. And I just want to thank you guys for everything, for participating, for the hard work you put in, and let you know that I love you guys. And so let me tell you more about who's hosting in this collab. So we have myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Design with Emma. We have Jennifer at Home. We have Debbie Bubbles and Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden. May's Design Corner and Joyful Decor by Denise. Those are the people participating in this collab. But remember, it is an open collaboration and anyone can join the collab. Okay, now last minute I decided I and Jean Home Decor and More, we wanted to give a little something to our supporters, and I didn't have time to put this together early enough, and so we just grabbed for our own channels 5 people in our own channels that are just been there for videos. I mean, never miss. And so I just grabbed 5. I'm going to put it in this container, and we're gonna roll it up, and I'm gonna go ahead, shake this up, and we're gonna pick somebody at the end. I did create a video for you today, and it's just a tablescape for 2 guys in between the raindrops and all the work that I have to do. I like to participate in everything, and I do the best that I can. So I'm happy to say it's a small token of my love for you guys. We wanted to give a gift out, and we wanted to do it today because I know everybody's going to be busy toward the end of the week. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you that video that I created. It's a tablescape for 2, and then we're going to come back and we're going to draw. I'll see you there. All right, so let's get started with this tablescape. The sequence tablecloth, I believe that was a gifted item. And I'm going to be placing a riser, which I DIY'd. It was a set of 3 levels. I just need the one. Now, Jean Home Decor and More is participating in this collaboration. So what I decided to do is place this poinsettia ball that I DIY'd right here in the center. Isn't that a nice pop, guys? Now, the chargers, they came from Hobby Lobby. And these beautiful plates, I got the set at Dollar Tree. Now the napkins, those were a thrifted item. Then you have the napkin rings, and I believe I got those at Kirkland's. The flatware in black, I got that at Walmart. Now the wine glass did come from the Dollar Tree. We're gonna get ready to go ahead and light the candles and head on over to the reveal. Isn't this a beautiful tablescape that you can sit down, have a nice meal while you're watching TV or listening to music? I love it. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you back to draw, guys. All right, so I hope that you enjoyed that tablescape for two. All right, so look at my mug, guys. I always show you my mug. This one says create. And that's what we spend a lot of time doing, guys, is creating. So this is a container I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just gonna fold up these 5 people. And you know, guys, if I could give to everyone, I would. But this was, like I said, last minute, and I went back and I just chose 5 this time, guys, but I know there's a lot more of you, and there's gonna be more opportunities, because I think I'm gonna make this a once in a while thing, and I'm loving that. I love giving. I just sent something out to someone, but this is just, because Christmas is like right there around the corner, so we don't want it to miss, and so this was last minute. I love you guys, and if I can give to all of you, I would, but I'm gonna choose from one person from these 5, okay? So we're gonna put the lid on. Isn't this exciting, guys? We're gonna put the lid on, roll this around. When I choose the name, I need to have the address where I can send the gift. So if you could please email me. My email is always in my community tab on top of the calendar, on the very top of the calendar, and under every video that I have. So in this description box, you're gonna see my email. Email me your address so that I can send you your gift. Okay? Ready? I'm so excited. I have Sonia down south. So Sonia, congratulations. I'm going to be sending you your gift. I need your address. And so there it is, Sonia down south. So I'm really happy to do this. It's actually really exciting. I love giving. Remember, it's not always about receiving, but it's about giving too. You actually feel so much joy inside when you give. But once again, have some changes coming in 2026, and the collaborations are going to be going strong, guys. So I love you guys. Have an amazing holiday. And if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Amen.